Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's with a winter swag kit for you. Most of the other ones have sold out right away, so definitely go to shopdeeslouisville.com if you like this one. The link is also going to be right above the video in the caption for this video. So click on that, grab yourself one. This is going to be a beautiful one you can use now, and it would be great if you have double doors and you need to decorate. It's a little bit more of an inexpensive way to get something on your door for the winter time. I'm going to put it on this boxwood wreath. I've chosen this ivory flocked pine stem, and then I've paired it with this really pretty white dewberry. I've already fluffed them out a little bit so you can see they look really nice. They're going to fill in really nicely, but if you also have a lantern at home you'd like to do it on, it's the same thing. You just turn it upside down. Looks beautiful on the top of a lantern. It's nice and neutral too. Speaking of neutral, we're going to be doing green ribbon on it, and then this really nice gray buffalo check just really pops on there. It's going to be nice and pretty. So we're going to start out like we normally do, take the tags off of everything, fluff the stems, which I've already done. These are going to come in unfluffed. You're going to pull a little coming down. That way, if you're doing the lantern, it's what goes up. On the wreath, it's what comes down. Same thing here. You're going to chop the stem on the longer pine. Pull a little down, pull a little out to the side. Just like that. Lay that berry stem right on top. Now you're ready to do your ribbon. With this one, we're not going to loop the green. We're just going to do a piece since it's 2.5 inch, and these stems are so airy and dainty. If we did too many loops, it's going to get a little bit overwhelming. So we're just going to do a nice piece of that one, and then we're going to take that gray thinner one right on top and make loops of that. We're going to make 2 nice size loops. We're going to tie it with a little bit of ribbon. And then we're going to lay it right there where that gap is in the stems. I pulled some kind of coming down. We're going to go right there. Just make sure you grab both of them and tie it. So this is if you're doing it on the wreath. So I've got the tails going down. If you're doing it on the lantern, you need to tie your bow on the opposite way. So instead of having the tails coming down with the shorter pieces, you're going to have them come down with the fuller pieces, and that'll give you that nice lantern swag look. Okay, I'm going to twist this on the wreath. I find it's easy to twist it on the wreath and cut the tails and things like that. Same thing, twist it on your lantern and then adjust everything where you want it. It's all wired, including the ribbon, and it just works really well. That one's already cut for us. Let's see here. Just gonna cut the ribbons, fluff some stuff. I just love that gray paired with the white and the green. Okay, I'm gonna cut these tails too. And that is all that's to it. You can see that is a really quick, easy project. Winterize your home a little bit. Put some floral back in there after you've taken down all your Christmas. It can be a little depressing when you take down your Christmas. And this is a nice way just to add a little floral touch to something in your home. Go check it out. It's on shopdeeslouisville.com.